Demolition for the Ruth Minchin Athletic Complex, June 15, 2015. The existing structures were removed and construction began on August 3, 2015. The new athletic complex contains 1 new field and 3 renovated fields with regraded infields and outfields, expanded fence lines, new turf, and new bases. The complex boasts larger dugouts and bullpens. The fields have new irrigation system and state-of-the-art Musco field lighting. For the spectators, the complex has 12 new sets of bleachers that are wheelchair accessible, and there is a built-in score table behind each home plate. The new Ruth Minchin Athletic Complex has a brand new air-conditioned expanded concession stand with larger restrooms that have automatic lights and ventilation systems. The concession stand has 3 roll-up serving windows and brand new drinking fountains. Guests of the complex will enjoy new concrete concourse that will make hanging out at the ball fields very enjoyable. Although the majority of the facility is completed at this time, there will be some fine-tuning after the park dedication, such as renovations to the batting cage area, shade canopies over bleachers, partitions in bathrooms, bat and helmet racks for dugouts, trash cans, picnic tables, and trees. See you at the ballpark!